Hello everyone, this is a Revit architecture tutorial. In this video I will explain how to paint surfaces as walls, slabs, and slab edges using the paint tool. I will keep uploading videos of different subjects in Revit for beginners and experts. Please don't hesitate to ask for any question. I will not change the paint from the structure layers of the wall. Mostly I will stay on the plaster, then I will use the paint tool to apply paints or any material on surfaces. Click on Paint, or you can simply use the keyboard shortcut PT. Choose the needed material, then apply it by clicking on the surface. You can use the Remove Paint tool to go back to the material selected in the structural layers of the wall. Now the plaster material that was chosen while editing the wall structural layers had been shown. How to paint a part of the wall. Click on Split Element, then click on the bottom of the wall. Then apply any material using the paint tool. How to make a new paint. Go to Manage, Materials, then click on Create New Material. Rename the new material. Check Use Render Appearance, then choose the needed color. These are many options you can edit, but it is okay for now. Go back to the paint tool, search for the new material, then apply it. You can simply apply any material to the slab edges using the same tool. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the alarm button. Goodbye.